again. It's a rich thing.
Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So today we're going straight into it and it will be a rope DIY video. So I got those ropes from the Dollar Tree and we will be making some wall art DIY using those ropes. So without much ado, let's get started. Using my hot glue, I will be making this wall art decor as you would see. But first, if you're new to my channel, I'll appreciate it if you can hit that subscribe button and join my Nook Vetro family. Alright, it's all love here, guys. And also, need I mention I missed you all? I know I didn't upload last week, but you know, life happens. But here we are again, so let's continue. This is a very easy wall decor using ropes, okay? So you can actually use a plate like I am currently doing for elevation and also to make it come out in the shape of a bowl, which was what I was going for because I do not want it flat all around like I did in my previous wall art decor DIY. You may want to check that out. Link can be found in the description box below. Okay, so for difference, I wanted this to have the shape of a bowl, so I'm mimicking a basket. Okay, so because I do not have the Raffian palms and all of that to make a basket, I am using ropes to create that effect. So I will be making 3 sizes: big, bigger, and biggest. All right, so just watch as I do this. It is important to note that these ropes are quite stiff, so you may need to exert some amount of pressure when you're actually folding it around. And that is why the hot glue is also the ideal glue for this, because you need something that bonds instantly in order to keep going. All right. Again, if you haven't subscribed to, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do have a bunch of Dollar Tree Fall DIY 2021 videos coming up on this channel, so make sure to stay tuned. So now I'm working on the medium size, after which I will move on to the large. And I also would like to mention that these ropes come in a variety of colors that I found at the Dollar Tree. It had red, black, white, and blue. Okay, so you have an option to just stay with the colors after making them and not have to paint over them like I will be doing. All right, if you're a color person, but if you're looking at making it different to add your own kind of flair to it, then yes, go ahead and paint it by all means. You will see how I will be doing that as we proceed with this video, so keep watching. I love how it has that bowl structure. I wanted it to be deep inside, almost like a basket, because that is the whole idea, to have this looking as though it is a basket, but it is not. We're just using ropes to actually create that. Okay, so we will go ahead to create the bigger size of it. I'm using the white ropes, of course, because I ran out of blue. Not that it matters because I'll be painting over them. And although I chose to do just 3, you can make as many as possible. And to be honest with you, these actually look really beautiful when you have over 5 or 7 or 9 of them together in a place. I plan on making some more as I will show you and do a combination of them on a set wall so you can get what I'm talking about. But for now, we'll do just 3 and I'll show you the end result. So now I have all 3 sizes ready and I will go on to paint. Using baking soda and acrylic white paint, I will mix them together just so it has that matte finish, and we'll paint over the basket as you would see. Let's do this. Well, as it is the tradition on Nora J's Nook, if you've watched right up to this point, please do comment rope art in the comments section and show your girls some love. I appreciate you all. Now back to our rope wall art DIY. So at this point, when you do paint it all white, which I totally prefer, you can actually use this in so many ways. So this can easily pass for a boho decor or even for an ethnic or Afrocentric wall decor. only because when you paint it all white, it has that basket feel. It looks like a white basket, if you know what I mean. Okay, so yes, so this is one option. At this point, you just let it dry, you add some more coats. I think I added over 3 to 4 coats on this, so it's like really white. And at that point I thought like it was ready. But then again, if you wanted to try other options and other variety, you can go ahead and paint this like I will be doing. So I will be using some black paint, caramel, and white to create some kind of design over this. So just watch as I do this. So the cool thing about this is that this is like a board or a canvas, a blank canvas for you to go all out and do you, okay? So you can paint this however you want to match your home aesthetics. So I'm just using 3 colors here to create some kind of Afrocentric kind of design on here, and you can always do this or do something different, play around it and just have fun with it. Okay, so once I had this painted, I liked it, but it didn't go with my overall aesthetics or for the overall aesthetics for the person I was creating this for. So I ended up painting over it again in white, and that is just to tell you that you can always change this up. If you're tired of having it all white, you can always have some design painted over it, and if you're tired of a design, you can paint over it again in white or in black and have another design, and so on and so forth. All right, so it is a very versatile piece. As you've noticed, I'm not very particular about the lines. I'm just freestyling over this thing, so just do you. You don't have to be perfect to create any kind of artwork, okay? Just do you, and if you love it, that's all that matters, okay? So yeah, we're not in the business of making perfect pieces. Hello. Anyways, let's keep going. So for those of you that are into Afrocentric decor or ethnic home decor, then yes, you definitely want to try painting over yours, or keeping it all white or keeping it all black, or all whatever color that you choose to go with, because this will make the perfect piece in that kind of setup. Okay, so I will complete this and I will show you the final look of this. And you can let me know in the comment section which option you will go with, if you will go all white, all black, or if you will paint over it like I just did in this video. I will use this double-sided stickies to put them up on the wall without having to burst through, and this is our final look. Again, please do let me know in the comment section if you would prefer this all white or if you prefer this painted over. All right, let's discuss. And so that brings us to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please do hit that thumbs up button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.